Suppose you have to factor the polynomial 7x squared minus 21x. Here's an easy way to factor any polynomial in only 3 steps. Our first step is to find the largest integer that will divide all the terms. So, for this problem, we have 7 and 21. And we have to find a number which divides into both of these terms equally. So, if you look at if you try to find the greatest common factor of these two numbers, you'll get 7. So, for our first step, we'll get 7. Our second step is to find the largest degree of x that can be factored out of all of the terms. So, in this step, we have to find the largest degree of x. So here we have x squared and x in this problem. Well, we can factor it out with x to the power of 1. Because then we can solve the problem much easier, because it's also because that since there are only 2 variables in here which are the same, and the lowest one has a degree of 1, which if we multiply by 2, we'll get x squared. So for our second step, we have x to the power of 1. Or even x. Now for our last step, which is our third step, we have to actually combine all the information we have. So we have 7 and x. And after that, we have to make a set of parentheses if we're factoring a binomial. So, if we divide every term by 7, like 7x squared divided by 7, we'll get x. Now we have to divide that by negative. We have to divide negative 21x by 7x. And we'll get negative 3x squared. I mean negative 3. Yeah, negative 3 only. And 7x in parentheses x minus 3 is our answer. Now let's double check if this answer is correct. So, to double check or check if the answer is correct, we have to multiply 7x into the parentheses. 7x times x is equal to 7x squared. And 7x times negative 3 is equal to negative 21x. And since this is equal to that, that means our answer 7x x minus 3 is correct.